Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you, my dear friends. Today I am telling you an interesting story. First, I will read text, then I will explain every word with English translation. Let's get started. دخلت المعلمة الفصل وسألت البنات عن الواجب وكانت هناك بنت لم تكتب الواجب وعرفت من البنت أنها لم تفهم الدرس جيدا فشرحته لها قالت للبنات لا تخجلن أن تطلبن شرح الدرس مرة أخرى فالعلم يضيع بين حياء طالبه وكبر معلمه. دخلت المعلمة الفصل. دخلت المعلمة. The lady teacher entered. Al-fasla means in the classroom. وَسَأَلَتِ الْبَنَاتُ means she asked the girls. سَأَلَتِ الْبَنَاتِ عَنِ الْوَاجِبِ. وَسَأَلَت means she asked. Al-Banat means the girls. Anil Wajib, an means about. Al-Wajib means homework. Wasalatil Banati Anil Wajib, she asked the girl about homework. وَكَانَتْ هُنَاكَ بِنْتٌ. There was a girl. Kanat means was. Hunaka means there. Bintun means girl. Wakanat hunaka bintun. There was a girl. Lam taktubil wajib. She didn't write homework. Lam taktubil wajib means she didn't write homework. Lam taktub means she didn't write. Al wajib means homework. She didn't write homework. وعرفت من البنت أنها لم تفهم الدرس جيدا. وعرفت من البنت, she knew that the girl, أنها means that the girl, لم تفهم الدرس, she didn't understand the lesson. جيدا means very well. وعرفت من البنت, she knew that the girl didn't understand the lesson very well. فشرحته لها. فشرحت means the teacher explained. Who means the lesson. فشرحته, the teacher explained it. Laha means for the girls. فشرحته لها, the teacher explained the lesson for the girl and said. وقالت, and teacher said. وقالت, wa means and. قالت means the teacher said. Remember this, قالت is always spoken for female gender in a past tense. قالت للبنات, the teacher said to the girls. لا تخجلن. La takhjalna means don't shy. Remember this, la takhjalna, this phrase is used for female gender in plural form. La takhjalna, don't shy. An tatlubna sharhad dars. An tatlubna, to request. Sharhad dars means explanation of the lesson. Marratan ukhra means again. لا تخجلن أن تطلبن شرح الدرس مرة أخرى. Don't shy to request for the explanation of the lesson again. العلم يضيع بين حياء طالبه وكبر معلمه. فالعلم يضيع. فالعلم means the education. يضيع destroys. فالعلم يزيو. The education destroys. بين حياء طالبه. بين means between. حياء طالبه shyness of the student. وكبر معلمه. وكبر means arrogance. معلمه of the teacher. وكبر معلمه arrogance of the teacher. The education destroys between shyness of the student and arrogance of the teacher. Listen one more time. فالعلم يزيع بين حياء طالبه وكبر معلمه. The education destroys between shyness of the student and arrogance of the teacher. Dear friends, learning language by telling stories is the easiest way of learning language. I want to know your opinion. Please don't forget to write me in comment box and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. مع السلامة إلى اللقاء. سبحان الله بحمده سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.